Recently, the bucket of a 30-ton excavator was being used to shift a quantity of steel reinforcement bar, rebar. This process caused a buildup of hazardous energy in the rebar as it was twisted and pushed. While pushing the rebar with the bucket of the excavator, a length of rebar springs back as the uncontrolled energy is released towards the excavator. The steel penetrates the right-hand cabin window and passes within 30 centimetres of the operator's head.
Power checks stand for P. Petrol or fuel, O. Oil, W. Water, E. Electrics, R. Rubber, tyres, wipers, etc.
What do we do when an emergency happens at work? Although we strive to make travelling by helicopter as safe as possible, we need to outline the emergency procedures to be adopted if a dangerous situation occurs. Remember, your pilot is in command of the helicopter and you must obey their instructions at all times. Adopt the crash position as described in the helicopter safety briefing card or as advised by the pilot. In the event of a crash, the safest place is within the airframe of the helicopter.
Place the installation adapter over the ram and the master pin end inside the adapter. While holding the master pin, slowly move the ram out till light contact is made between the master pin and the track link. Care must be taken that no pressure is applied till all guards are closed and alignment is checked. Once all safety checks and alignment checks are made, commence pressing. During this pressing movement, the power pack gauge and press alignment should be checked at all times. At full travel of the ram, retract the ram and remove the adapter.
In the CBD, unscrew lock cover and open and remove padlock. Each person places pit lid lifting tool into slot at each end and turns 90 degrees to engage. Gently lift up pit lid to release lid from surround. Outside the CBD, place pit lifting tool into slot and turn 90 degrees. Ensure tool is engaged by lifting upwards slightly. Gently lift up pit lid to release lid from surround. Drag pit with pit lifting tool to one end of the pit. Ensure the lid does not overhang the pit. Always bend knees and straighten to lift pit lids. Prior to entering pit, use a gas detector to check for any toxic gases.
Roll your mouse over each highlighted area of the forklift for a description of that component. Oil and water and battery condition. Tyre wear and tyre pressure. Tines or forks. It's important to be familiar with the names of the different components of your forklift. Roll your mouse over each highlighted area of the forklift for a description of that component. Tines or forks. Backrest. Front wheel. Footstep. Rear wheel. Footstep.